Hello, it's Matt with Sensible again. Today I'm recording another quick video. The last video I did, I walked you through how to create your first template. And in this video, I'm going to go over how to use our Quick Extract tool. So our Quick Extract tool is a way to upload documents directly to Sensible and then download the data we extract from them as a spreadsheet. For example, if you didn't want to fully integrate with our API. So we have the same template that we worked on last time pulled up. So what we want to do is get back to the main screen. So we come to our dashboard and we actually just click this extract button right here. And in this main center module, this is where we're going to upload one document, or we could do a bunch of them at the same time. So initially I'm just going to do one document. So we're going to do that same Allstate sample. A couple different options I should note. We have our document and our portfolio method. Portfolio would be if you had, say it was a longer PDF with multiple documents in one actual file, and you wanted to run a few different templates against that larger document, then we'd click this. In this case, we're just running one sample file, so we'll keep it at document. And then when you create the template, you can either keep it as a development template or push it over to production, which is just a way to keep these, keep track of these different templates and make sure that you're not working on one that's live in production. So I believe in this case, the template library stuff we copied over, it's saved as production. So you can see right here, I could have it auto select the correct template. In this case, I know it's Allstate, so I'm just going to select Allstate, and I'm going to run the extraction. And it should normally be pretty quick. For a simple, few pages like this, it normally takes maybe a couple seconds. You can see right now, it's going to actually give me all the data that it extracted. And in most cases, what you'd want to do is you could just download this as an Excel file or as JSON. So it's as simple as that to actually download and extract data. One other thing I think that might be helpful to show you guys is what you'd want to do if you wanted to do multiple documents. Because obviously, let's say you create the template, you're probably going to want to test with at least 5 or 10 documents, not just one. So then what we can do instead is come back to the Quick Extract window. If I click the Upload button, you won't be able to see this module, but I'm going to actually Shift select a bunch of files. So you can see right now I held Shift, I selected like 10 different samples. And so what this did was it auto pushed me into this batch extract screen. So same sort of details here. It's not portfolio, it's just going to be documents. It's going to be a production template. And then the doc type here, we're actually going to want to put it on auto select because we're no longer just doing Allstate. It could be any of these templates that we're going to be using. So we'll go batch test as the description. And then if I just run this extraction, it's going to actually start to pull data from all 13 of those documents uploaded. And one thing I should note is, let's say you're looking at the extraction history. So I come over here. You can see the individual files that we've extracted. But in this case, we're doing a batch of files. So if you select batch extraction, it'll take you to this screen. I can see the one that we just ran right here. If I click into it, it's going to show me all of the different files. And I would be able to download any of these as a spreadsheet directly from this window. Or what I'd recommend is if you wanted all the results, I could do this and then download the Excel file by clicking this button. And yeah, pretty simple.